Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can check the mouse DPI of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to the mouse settings, and we can do that by simply making a search here in our Windows search tab, mouse. And once you do that, the mouse settings will be under the best match, so please click on that. And in here, this mouse window will be up on our screen, so just please keep on scrolling until you reach the additional mouse settings under related settings. Now please click on that, and the moment you do that, this mouse properties window will be up on our screen. So in here, we need to click on the pointer options. So we have here 4 tabs: buttons, pointers, pointer options, and hardware. Now please click on pointer options, and here all you have to do is just to look for the motion section. So make sure here that you don't check or you don't select the enhance pointer precision. So once you see that this is selected or checked, please do uncheck it, and then the moment you do that, please click on apply and then click on OK. And once you're done here, please close this window as well as this one, and let's go to your Google Chrome browser. So once you open your Google Chrome browser, all we need to do is to search in the search tab DPI analyzer, and please click on enter. So we will visit the mouse dash or mouse-sensitivity.com DPI analyzer. Now please click on that, and once you do that, you will see here the mouse sensitivity website. So all you have to do here is to go to this DPI analyzer section, and in the units, please select inches instead of centimeters. Just click this drop down button here and you can select inches, and for the target distance, just click on 1. So we will have a 1-inch target distance, and please go to your mouse pad, and please drag this red here to a 1 inch. So just drag it, and you will see the actual DPI here, actual counts. You will see the moment you move it, you will see the actual DPI count. Okay, so that's how you know your actual DPI in your mouse. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.